The ancient Chinese form for lei looked like this. As you can see, it has the zigzagging thunder shape. The connecting circles with crosses inside most likely represented the loud thunder sounds we hear. Over time, the character evolved to add the rain since thunder and rain tend to appear together. The character was later simplified to keep just one of the circles with the cross inside, giving us a part that looks like tian, but in fact has nothing to do with the field. Now we know when we look at lei, we should expect rain and a thunderous roar. In ancient China, many people believed that thunder occurred when dragons fought with each other. Perhaps this is why we don't say 下雷. Instead, we describe the appearance of thunder as 打雷. 打 means to fight or to strike. 打是三声，打，打雷，打雷，换你试试看。Excellent. I know lei can be a little scary because it's so loud, but lei also help lead to one of the most important discoveries of all time. Looks like it's time for a fun fact. In the mid-18th century, an American inventor named Benjamin Franklin was conducting an experiment with a kite during a thunderstorm. He tied a metal key to the kite's string and waited for the storm to hit. When the kite was struck by lightning, Franklin saw sparks coming from the key. He realized that lightning was a form of electricity. This experiment led to the invention of the lightning rod and paved the way for the study and use of electricity. This story helps to explain why electricity in Chinese used to look like this. 电, 电. Do you notice how 电 looks a lot like lei, except it has a little tail? Perhaps this is Benjamin Franklin's kite. Over time, we simplified the character, so only the bottom part remains. What a great way to remember 电. 电 has the fourth tone, so it drops. 电. 电. Now you try. Good job. Electricity is used in almost every part of our lives now, so we see this word everywhere. Let's look at some of them. 电话. This is the electrical invention that allows us to talk to each other over long distances. This is the word for telephone. 电话. 电话. Your turn. This next one is a lot of people's favorite. 电动. Can you guess what this means? It involves an electrical device with some movement. This is the word for video games. 电动. 电动. 换你说说看。很棒. When someone is on the telephone or playing video games, we use the word 打 to describe their action. 妈妈在做什么？妈妈在打电话。妈妈在做什么？妈妈在打电话。换你了。很好，妈妈在打电话，那小朋友在做什么？ They might be playing video games. 小朋友在打电动。小朋友在打电动。Your turn. 太棒了！There are many other electrical inventions with 电 as part of their Chinese name. For example, television is called 电视. Refrigerator is known as 电冰箱. Lights are called 电灯, and so on. Now, whenever you see the character 电, you know it has something to do with electricity. We have learned so much today. I think we're ready for a break. Let's ask Xiaolong if it is still raining outside. 小龙，外面还在下雨吗？ It's still raining. 还在下雨. But that's okay. We know rain is good for us, and we should be thankful for it.